A very good afternoon. I'm Jashin Kapani. It's exactly 3 p.m. by the watch, Indian Standard Time. Delhi NCR, Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We are in the business and line of designing, manufacturing and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions. And, I wanted to share an idea. Again, this is not a read, but it's an idea. So as you can see, I'm enjoying and soaking up a lovely cup of coffee. So this is a coaster which is from one of my collections. It's quite an old piece, about 6 years or something. So this is on my table for a long time now, and you can see the light reflecting through it and stuff. So we do stuff and products in this kind of works. So these are coasters, we have cutlery, we have trays, we have picture frames. We may have vases as well. We've got tables. We've attempted chandeliers also, and now furniture, highly technical, but you have to give us a lot of time to do that. Okay, so dining tables are possible, chairs are possible, sofas are possible, gift boxes are possible, jewelry boxes are available, bookends are available, clocks are available. So cheers firstly on a nice cup of coffee inspired from the colors of nature and stuff. That's also one of the mirrors from about 7 years old. It's in my collection there. So a quick idea. So I got this wine bottle on my table, and I've got these ikigai flowers here, So I just thought I'll do a quick share which might be of some use and might be handy to some people. So now, people want to deck up their homes. They want this classic luxury, premium look, rich look and everything. And some people don't want to spend money. So in that case, what do? So the idea is really easy and kick-ass. So you have... I've been sharing a number of these ideas, I think, over the years now. So this is something which is... you have a bottle like this. You have, can you see the green, these green leaves. I put in those, and I've got the flowers there. So what you do is that you could have transparent bottles also, and you can have bottles like these. And in each bottle, let's say if you have 6 of them, or if you have 4 of them, or if you have 2 of them, pairs are recommended, because this is going to turn out to a beautiful, decor accessory in your home, and it's cost effective but premium. Of course, you have to have these bottles. They can be oil bottles, they can be wine bottles, they can be if you had some alcohol, those bottles, or if you had some vinegar bottles, those bottles, mustard oil bottles, or whatever. So just get hold of all the bottles, put them on your table after they've been cleaned, and fill them up with water. And after you've filled up water, just put in 2 or 3 drops of oil in those, and take some beautiful white tall candles, or yellow candles, or whatever color you find good, or whatever goes with how you feel and everything, what the decor in your space is all about, what your tables are all about, what your spa is all about, what your bedroom is all about, what your TV room is all about, what your playroom is all about, what your golf, I won't say golf, okay, but in case you're a golfer and you kind of collect stuff and you sit there and you read about golf and all that, So whatever space you want, you can have these. And on the top where you have the goal of the bottle, just put in the long candles. So you're sorted for good, and you have a beautiful premium luxury candle decor on display and stuff. So this is a spontaneous idea which just came to me, and I was kind of checking this out. If this has been shared somewhere else by somebody else, well, I don't know about it, but looking at it, I had this idea. So this is how nature looks, so refreshing and stuff. And the other idea is that you could simply place some nice cuttings of flowers in this, or you could have you could just put in like a bamboo or maybe some cuttings of whatever flowers or flora that feels really good, because trust me and believe me, when you look at it you start feeling rejuvenated, and you carry forward the ideas and stuff like that. So try this. Try flowers, try candles, try putting cuttings of leaves and stuff and all that. But if you want to stick to the original idea, which the video is all about and the thought is all about, which is premium luxury decoration, on your tables, even if it's a wedding, even if it's a birthday, even if it's your something at home, a get together, you want to call some guests over, you have a card session, or you have a chit chat session or something on your children's table and stuff. Try and place them at a height. Avoid putting too much of oil in those bottles. So 3 elements only: bottles, a little bit of oil, water. Oh yeah, sorry, the 4th is of course your candles. Okay, so I'm sure this is going to work. If you do this, do share the pictures and stuff. So love and luck, Jasleen Kapani on jkapani@gmail.com, jasleengapani.im@gmail.com, and jasleengapanioffice@gmail.com. Stay in touch, keep in touch. Thank you for your wishes and your thumbs up and stuff, and thank you for your messages as well. So stay good, stay upbeat, stay spirited, stay positive, and keep looking after yourself and stuff. And remember, biophilics, bioflora, biodesign is so very easy. All these complex terms of design architecture, which is forever, forever, it's forever on the go, because climate and nature is something you can't do without, So try and include those in your homes and offices and stuff. And let me share this with you. This is the Ikigai thingy I'd done many months back. And I just love these beautiful, flowers. They're just there and they've dried up. This is very close to the potpourri thingy which you buy in the malls and stuff. Oh yes, since I'm here on my table, if you have some essence oil and stuff, just, put in maybe 1 or 2 drops of these incense oils in your decorations, or in your flower vases, or in your potpourri, or wherever you want, and you have a beautiful natural fragrance room and stuff, just as you feel when you go into a nice massage parlor, or you go for a nice massage or something, So this is something which you can do at home. And if you're having any trouble sleeping or whatever, or if you sleep very peacefully and you want to sleep very well, you can place those candle bottles besides your tables and stuff, and definitely sprinkle maybe 1 or 2 drops of these oils on your pillows, and you're going to just pass out and sleep really very well. And try and put your bed in a commanding position. I'm going to share another video on that, what's a commanding position and what's not a commanding position, because some people don't even know about that. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun. And here's a cheers to a nice sorry, I think my cup is kind of whatever. Okay, so cheers to you and a lovely cup of coffee. Enjoy and feel good, feel great. And as you do that, remember to soak in the aroma, remember to take a look at the cup, remember to look at the stuff around you. And as you do this, when you step out into a nice place, maybe a restaurant, or maybe into a coffee shop or something, you're going to enjoy or even look forward to your next experience. So love and luck and take care and have fun. Cheers. Bye bye.